What's happening in Hamburg on the 5th of August every year? Hamburg, the 5th of August 2023.
Hamburger Festival-Rundgang während der Pride Week zum Christopher Street Day, Hamburger CSD-Parade, am Samstag, den 5. August 2023.
Germany, Hamburg Festival Walking Tour during the Pride Week for Christopher Street Day on Saturday the 5th of August 2023.
Please, what is today? Why are those people all around? What is today?
Pride. The Hamburg Pride.
Can you say this loudly? Say it loudly. Come, what did you say?
I said Pride.
Price?
Yeah.
Yes, to say in the video because I want to.
No.
Okay, thank you. They don't want to say in the video. They just don't want to say it in the video. They are shy or something. I will ask. I think this is a special day. It is called, I don't remember, but if I can get nice guys who just say hello, then I will ask them again. Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Why are those people now crowded here? What is this there?
I don't
you
know.
know?
I don't know.
The other guy is not nice. You see. I don't know. What is this? They might not want to. Yeah, these are nice people. Whom to ask now? I don't know. Whom to ask now? I don't know. This should be a special day, and I don't know if I can find somebody to tell me exactly what this day is. There are other groups here and there, and you will never find any hotel in this day, in a day like this, because I already did not find a train to get to my destination. And in Hamburg, this is Hamburg, and that is Hamburg Central Station. And I didn't get a train from Hanover to get to my destination. Then I came from there to Hamburg in hope I will find a hotel maybe outside outside Hamburg, in Reeperbahn or somewhere else, to spend the night, and then tomorrow I will find a train. I don't know. If I just found some people here who can talk English. And what is this day? These are really a lot of people here. Maybe it is a tradition or something, I don't know. So instead of continuing my travel, I am just impressed by the people here, and that encouraged me to shoot these videos. The people are my business. The people are my business. I think I'm lucky to find such beautiful view of people. See? Really a lot of people, really a lot of people here. Really a lot of people here. Activism is my hobby since the 70s. Is it yours?
Aktivismus ist seit den 70er Jahren die Gewohnheit des Journalisten und Menschenrechtsaktivisten Khalid Osman. Ist es deins?
Answer in the comments, please, and tell me in which field.
Antworten Sie bitte in den Kommentaren und sagen Sie mir, in welchem Bereich.
Did you enjoy the tour? If so, read and do. Subscribe to the channel.
A friend in need is, well, you know the rest. Ein Freund in Not ist, na ja, den Rest kennst du.
Join the Feminist Rise community.
When we build a community, we become stronger.
Wenn wir eine Gemeinschaft aufbauen, werden wir stärker. Start your day with this channel. Beginnen Sie Ihren Tag mit diesem Kanal.
Germanize your journey.
Travel Germany cheaper.
Browse this site for all season travel 100-beautiful-sites-and-the-world.com.
Did you enjoy the music? To say so, please do subscribe, like, comment and share the link.
Könnten Sie bitte etwaige Übersetzungsfehler korrigieren?
Could you please correct any translation errors?
Sehen Sie sich hier? Warum also nicht über Ihren Tag schreiben und wie er Ihnen gefallen hat?
You will see yourself here. So why not write about the day and how did you enjoy it?